We will need 1/4 cup unsalted butter, 1½ cups all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup brown sugar, half teaspoon ground nutmeg, half teaspoon cinnamon, 1 1/4 teaspoon ground ginger, a mixture of 2 tablespoons honey and 2 tablespoons brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon ground cloves, half teaspoon baking soda, and a mixture of 1 tablespoon water, half teaspoon oil, and 1 teaspoon baking powder. In the all-purpose flour, add the baking soda, ground nutmeg, ground ginger, cinnamon, and ground cloves. Mix all the dry ingredients evenly. With the butter at room temperature, add the brown sugar and beat until light and fluffy. Add the mixture of honey and brown sugar and continue beating until fully combined. Then add the water, oil, and baking powder mixture, blending it thoroughly. Add the dry ingredients mix in 4 batches, beating evenly after every addition. If the dough turns out and crumbles like mine, knead the dough by adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk. Then wrap it in plastic wrap and refrigerate for an hour before baking. Cover the chilled dough with parchment paper and roll it out to about 1 centimeter thickness. Cut out with your desired cookie cutter and repeat the process with the remaining dough. Place the pieces on a baking tray lined with parchment paper or baking sheet. Bake in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 to 10 minutes until edges are firm. This Christmas, enjoy gingerbread cookies.